5 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have a technical analysis on Wanchain here. I think that's how you say it. Currently sitting at $4.44, up 3% for the day. But for those of you that don't know what Wanchain is, Wanchain pretty much aims to build a distributed quote-unquote bank. Just as traditional banks are the infrastructure of the current financial framework, Wanchain pretty much seeks to build a new and distributed infrastructure for digital assets to form an improved and modern framework of ambitious, pretty much it's an ambitious goal, I know. Very ambitious goal. Pretty much trying to be a decentralized bank. Wanchain wants to be able to connect, pretty much the exchange value between a different blockchain using a non-proprietary cross-chain protocol. But at the same time, so you're gonna be able to, so it's what Wanchain is pretty much trying to do is, be be able to bring all blockchain technologies, into one and being able to, they can communicate pretty much with each other is what Wanchain is pretty much trying to do. It's pretty much trying to create a non-proprietary cross-chain protocol and a distributed ledger that records both cross-chain and intra-chain transactions. With Wanchain, anyone can pretty much open it with quote-unquote, a virtual teller window in the bank and provide a service such as loan, asset exchange, or credit payments, pretty much based on digital assets. But before we take a look at their website, guys, I know my explanation was kind of weird. So it's pretty much just it's trying to be a bank, but decentralized. So when you go to the bank, oh, I got to make a credit payment for this, or I got to take out a loan for this. So it's trying to do that, but it's trying to do it with digital assets. So I feel like that's a pretty cool idea. But before we take a look at their website, guys, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 269 billion. Today's volume 12.8 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 43.3. Bitcoin up 0.5% for the day, guys, just slightly below 7,000. Ethereum up almost 2%. Now we're back below 420. I'm waiting for the break and close above 420 before I decide to add to my position. Ripple up, sorry, 1.5%, or a little bit more than 1.5%, just below 50 cents. Bitcoin Cash slightly up, Litecoin slightly up. I think the big winner for the day is EOS, up 25, Mixin up 21, Redcoin up 18. Let's go ahead and take a look at Wanchain's website. Pretty nice design here. Home, product, token swap, docs, white paper, yellow paper, commercial paper. Read these, guys. Definitely read these. The team, the career, the explorer, their GitHub, with private cross-chain smart contracts connecting the world's digital assets. Wanchain is creating a new and distributed financial infrastructure. Cross-chain smart contracts built on Wanchain will power the new digital economy. So it's pretty much trying to be the bank of cryptocurrency. I like that. Digital economy. Bitcoin was the first natively digital asset. Tens of thousands have followed. The digital economy is expanding exponentially and will become the economy. Digitization of assets, new opportunities, financial infrastructure. The problem in today's digital assets are isolated on their respective chains. Wanchain connects these assets and enables banking applications to be developed that guide their flows on-chain, removing centralized counterparty risks. So that's what I was pretty much trying to tell you guys. Application scenarios, decentralized exchange, asset management tools, and an ICO platform. So they're actually going to be able to launch ICOs off their platform, which is pretty cool. And this is pretty much how their architecture works. Wanchain is not merely a universal cross-chain protocol. It is a distributed ledger that records not only the cross-chain, but also the intra-chain transactions. So what's happening on the Ethereum blockchain is being recorded through Wanchain, and then what's happening on Bitcoin is also being recorded. But not only what's happening on those, but what's also going on the Wanchain is also being recorded as well. The ledger not only supports smart contracts, but also supports privacy protection. Wanchain rebuilding finance, private, cross-chain, smart contracts, their roadmap here. What are we in? 2018. Wanchain goes live. That's why they just started blowing up. I feel like they timed it perfectly as well. Waiting for the market to crash, went live, and now their Wanchain to BTC value is great. And let's see, what is this? June? In June, Wanchain 2.0 will go live. Integration with Ethereum, multi-coin wallet, Wanchain 3.0, integration with Bitcoin and multi-coin wallet. So they're moving pretty fast, actually. And then 2019, Wanchain 4.0 integrations, private chains, multi-coin wallet. So by 2019, they'll already be in the 4.0 stage. So they're moving pretty fast, guys. Pretty. I like the idea of this coin. Pretty bullish on this. Now let's go ahead and look at some price action that you guys came here for. Damn, my lips are getting dry. But we were in this nice little triangle pattern here, guys. Broke out, huge breakout. We went from about 4,700 satoshis to what is now its all-time high at slightly below 7,000 satoshis. So what am I expecting here from Wanchain? Well, we do have a support here at about 5,000 satoshis, 5,270, all the way up to about 5,400 almost. And then we do have another one down here at 460 up to 4,800. But we do have what I think is the beginning of our uptrend, starting here, bounce one, bounce two, bounce three. So this is what I'm kind of expecting from Wanchain. Either we're going to hold at this level. Oops, let me move this. Either we're going to consolidate and we're going to hold at this level, and then we're going to break above this, and I'm waiting for the break and close above 6,700 Satoshis before I decide to add my position. Or what's going to happen is we're going to come down to this level. Let me actually change the color of this. What I feel like is going to happen is we're actually going to come back down to this level, and we're either going to form a double bottom here. Let me go ahead and take out my paintbrush. This would be bottom one, and I feel like this could be bottom two. Or what could happen is Bitcoin could just start to pick up and gain a lot of momentum, bringing this down, actually making it a more aggressive move, bouncing off our trend line. I'd rather have it bounce off the trend line, but I wouldn't be surprised if we hold at this level, guys. But we're currently sitting at about 6,400 Satoshis. I'm waiting for it to get closer to 5,000. The closer we can get to 5,000, the better. I definitely expect this to drop a little bit. However, if it doesn't, definitely just wait for the break and close above, 6,700 Satoshis. Once we do break and close above that level, we should be good to go. But that's pretty much it for today's. Oh, actually, I got to tell you guys where I see this coin going. Well, as you can tell, in 2019, that's when it'll be in its 4.0 stage. So I feel like early 2019, this coin could easily be worth about 20,000 Satoshis. Currently sitting at 6,000, so the risk reward is pretty great if you ask me. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, you guys have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.